The secret language of cats. Our little friends. Many people have a cat at home. Cats are very beautiful and interesting animals. They are quiet, but they speak to us every day. They do not use words like humans. They use their bodies, their tails, and their eyes. This is their secret language. When we understand this language, we can be very good friends with our cats. Let's learn how cats talk to us and what they want to say. The magic of the tail. A cat's tail is very important. It tells a story about how the cat feels. When a cat is happy to see you, its tail goes up high. Sometimes the top of the tail moves a little bit. This means, I like you. But be careful. When a tail is very big and bushy, the cat is afraid or angry. If the tail moves left and right very fast, the cat is not happy. It is better to leave the cat alone. A calm tail means a calm and relaxed cat. Eyes and ears. Look at a cat's eyes. They are very big and bright. When a cat looks at you and closes its eyes slowly, it is a cat kiss. It means the cat trusts you and feels safe. You can do the same thing back to them. Ears are also important. When a cat is happy, its ears are forward. When a cat is angry, the ears go back and flat. This is a sign to stay away. Cats also use their ears to listen to small sounds in the house. The sound of love. Cats make many sounds. The most famous sound is the purr. Usually, cats purr when they are happy and warm. It is a very soft and beautiful sound. They also meow. Did you know that cats usually meow only to humans? They do not meow at other cats very often. They meow because they want food or they want to play. Every cat has a different voice. Some cats are very loud and some cats are very quiet. Listening to your cat is the best way to love them. Now you know the secret language of cats. They are not just pets. They are part of the family.